Is your Android phone staying silent because do not disturb mode is still enabled? In this quick 2026 tutorial, you will learn the fastest and easiest way to turn it off, restore calls and notifications, and get your phone working normally again. Let's jump right into the simple step together. First thing first, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the main settings, scroll down a little, find the notification option, tap on them to open the notification page. After that, scroll down again, find the do not disturb mode. Simply click on them to open it. Here you can see the do not disturb mode appear. Right now this option is turned on by default my phone. To turn it off, simply tap on the main toggle button, do not disturb mode, and turn it off. After that, also see the schedule section. Here if you see any schedule button is turned on, also both turn them off. That's how you can turn on do not disturb mode on Android phone. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe and explore more easy Android tips and guide here.